Hey, this is Goldie Rutherford with some more Brizy tricks. Today I thought I would do a little video on working with videos in Brizy Cloud. I'm not a big fan of the way that the current video element works. Because it only allows a direct link from YouTube or Vimeo, which either means that you have to have a paid Vimeo account if you want more than 3 videos, or it means that you have to basically when the YouTube video ends, it's got the suggested videos sitting there on the video within your page. So I have been playing around with using an embed video element to add video, because I actually have most of my video stored in an app called Rethink. But I'm going to do this with Google Drive because this is something that anybody can do, so that if you have any videos that are just sitting in Google Drive, you can embed them on your website. So basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add an embed element here. Now over here in Google Drive, I've got a few videos stored here. I'm going to open this one up, and I'm going to, now there's no embed code here, so I'm going to open in a new window. In the preview window here, now if I click on these 3 buttons, there's an embed item. Okay, so I can now copy that embed code. Okay, and I take that back across to my Brizy page, and I embed, so I can paste my embed code here. Now, the issue with this is, as you can see in this embed code here, it's got sizing. It's got width is 640 and height is 480, which is not ideal because you're stuck with whatever sizing your embed code gives you. You can play with these sizes and make it fit, but then it's not responsive to whatever page you're working on. So instead of doing it that way, you can basically add a div class around your iframe. The div class is called a video wrapper. Now I'm going to give you all this code here that you can. So basically, all you have to do is add your link here, or basically add your iframe embed code here, and then you can copy this, and we just this in here. Okay, so it's still not changing the size. So next thing we have to do is we have to go to the small code here, which I'll also give you, which now needs to go into the more settings, advanced, and add that into the custom CSS. And that now makes the video that you've got there basically fit within the element that it's pasted into. So for example, if I was to create a double column here and pull this down to that column there, it will make it fit within that container there. So that's just, to me, a quick and easy way to use other video embed sources other than just YouTube or Vimeo. Google Drive is great for it. You have to make it. You have to make sure that the sharing of that video is to everybody who's got a link. Just so you're aware that when that is embedded on your page, that anybody can download that video very easily. I mean, whatever video you have on your page from whatever source, people can download them easily. But so if they click on this, it'll pop out here. It will take them back to the Google Drive video, and then they could download that. If you're not worried about that, then it's a great way to embed videos that are not in YouTube. Okay, I hope this has been useful. This is Goldie Rutherford with some more Brizy tricks. Talk to you soon.